Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it and focus. There we go. So yeah, this first sketch took 3 minutes 20 seconds, second 3 minutes, third one 2.5 minutes. By utilising these learning methods, I am able to get more effective and more accurate sketches of what I'm basically looking at. So utilising geometric observational methods along with good speed and creating the feedback loop, I am able to analyse where I went wrong and where I went right, what I can do next time, what I can keep doing, what I'm not to do in next time, and be aware of things that I'm repeatedly doing and maybe not even aware of it. So yeah, I am constantly improving my speed, accuracy, ratios, the structure, everything. So I'm really happy with the overall results, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.